Stop scrolling because this is not going to be basic advice like be yourself or text less. This is about the exact little things you can do that make him think about you all day without you even trying. The kind of actions that stay in his head, replay later, and make him randomly smile for no reason. If you want him thinking about you while he is busy, when he is alone, and especially at night, this is it. These are small, real behaviors that create that effect naturally. Stay till the end, because these are the things that actually work. 1. Send one random, slightly personal text and disappear. Send him something unexpected like, "This reminded me of you," with a random picture, or a small detail from your day that feels a little personal. It should not be a full conversation, just a moment you chose to share with him. Then do not drag it into a long chat right after. Leave it there. That small drop of attention feels different. He will keep thinking about why you sent that specifically to him. It makes him feel chosen in a quiet way. He will open it again, reread it, and wonder what you are doing now. That one message stays longer than a full conversation, and that is what keeps you in his mind. 2. Say his name softly in conversation. When you are talking, casually use his name in a soft or slightly playful tone. Not too much, just once or twice in the conversation. For example, "You are actually so annoying sometimes," but said in a light, teasing way. That small detail hits harder than you think. He notices the way you say his name, even if he does not react to it. It feels personal and directed only at him. Later, he remembers how it sounded more than what you said. That moment replays in his head randomly, and that is what makes it stick. 3. Leave him on a small tease. Before ending a conversation, say something like, "I was going to tell you something, but never mind." Or, "You will find out later." Do not explain it right away. Just leave it there and go. That unfinished detail creates instant curiosity. He will keep thinking about what you were going to say. His mind fills the gap on its own. That small tease stays with him longer than anything else you said. It creates a reason for him to come back to you, and that is what keeps you in his thoughts. 4. Send him small pieces of your day. Instead of long talks, send small things like a picture of your coffee, your outfit, or something random you saw. Add a short line like, "This is so me," or "This felt cute." Keep it light and casual. It feels like you are letting him into your world without trying too hard. He starts picturing your day even when he is not with you. Those small visuals stay in his mind. It creates a connection without needing long conversations. He begins to feel like he is part of your routine, and that is what makes him think about you more. React to him in a slightly different way. When he says something, do not always respond normally. Sometimes pause, look at him, and say, "Why are you like this?" in a soft tone. Or just smile and shake your head. That reaction feels more real than a standard reply. It creates a moment instead of just a response. He notices that your reactions are not predictable. That makes him pay more attention to you. He starts waiting to see how you will respond next. Those small reactions stay in his head later, and that is what makes you different. Number 6. Be the one who ends the moment first. When you are talking, laughing, or even texting, be the one who leaves first sometimes. Not suddenly, just naturally like, "I have to go now. Talk later." Do it when the moment is still good. Do not wait for it to fade. That unfinished energy stays with him after you leave. He feels like there was more to the moment. He starts replaying it in his head. That makes him want to come back to you. And that is what keeps you on his mind. 7. Do one small unexpected thing. Do something slightly unexpected like sending a voice note instead of texting, or randomly saying, "I like talking to you," and then moving on like it was nothing. Keep it casual, not emotional or heavy. That small surprise creates a strong impact. He does not expect it, so it stays in his head longer. He keeps thinking about why you said it and what you meant. That moment becomes something he replays later. It feels different from everything else. And that is what makes you unforgettable. It is never about doing too much or trying too hard. It is always the small, specific things that create the biggest impact. The little moments, the tiny actions, and the way you leave something unfinished are what stay in his mind. So if you made it till here, just know this: you do not need to chase to be unforgettable. You just need to do things that feel real and slightly different. If you liked this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments which one you are going to try first.